Hey YouTube, Mike that Tankless guy here. How are we all doing today? I hope we all had a safe and productive week. Alright, as you can see, I am in my new studio. I'm about 90% done with it. It is a building that actually I found, or I got, right on the same property as my original shop, just 2 doors down. Gentleman that lived here for a while. Got very sick with cancer, died in the hospital. So my landlord knew that I was looking for something and asked me if I wanted to take this, and I said, yeah, sure. So it's a second floor. It's about 12 by 21. Have a central air put in, and it's on right now. I don't have to sweat while I'm doing my videos. And what I did is I gutted the place, even downstairs. I'll give you a tour downstairs and explain to you what I'm going to do down there. And it took about 3 weeks to get this all done. 18 yards of garbage and a ton of cleaning. And then up here I had to gut it all. We had a bathtub here. There was a wall with a door. 2 people lived in here. Had to gut this all. New ceiling, wall, panel walls, new door, floor, insulation, everything. Electrical, did the whole 9 yards. So I'm just waiting on my desk, which is way back door. So my neighbor next door had this little computer thing that I could just put my laptop on, and I put a table so I can put some paperwork. I got a prop on it. You'll see it in a minute. And then a shelf, and as you can see, I got my dry erase board. I got my posters. I got Navion's rack, and then I got my prop. And I'm waiting on an NPE unit to come in, so it can go on here, and I got the MPN unit here. I even got the clear plastic front for display, and I got a bit of stuff I have to do. I wanted to test out the lighting and test out, how everything looked. So I'll give you a quick tour let me take the camera off. I'll give you a quick tour of what I did behind, and then I'll give you a tour of downstairs. Okay, hold on 1 second, because this is a new tripod. There we go. There we go. All right, so here is what, where I'm standing, as you saw. My lighting. The rack I put up, a shelving, has pretty much all of Navion's. I'm waiting on some more stuff. I got their scale cutter, NaviLink, their hood, their valve cover, all the other controllers, my camera gear. There's 24 packets there, and they have all the installation manuals, pens and pads, and that's what I give to people that I train, my parts. Here is that prop. That one side shows what you'll see under a vanity or a sink, and then the other side that has the NaviCirc on it, what it should look like. And the AC, my little tiny computer desk. Window, still dirty, still got to get up there with a ladder and clean it. Did the electric over, did the door over. But this is the shop. I have the exact same square footage on the other side, except mine has a second floor. So I have an entire second floor on the other side, which I keep just for storage, like from house stuff. My wife spent hours yesterday cleaning these stairs with a degreaser, and now I'm going to continue with this runner up the center of the stairs here. I just cut some industrial carpet. I bought a roll, and that's it. So I didn't want to throw out the shelves, so I'm going to see what I want to keep. I'm going to change the utilitub. There is the 2 parts boxes for the NPE2 and the NPN on casters. Everything is in there except the heat exchangers. And then I just keep, whatever extra tools and lighting in here. But I got to rotate this around, because right here, probably from where the fan is over, I'm going to do either 2 or 3 racks with units and live fire them. My propane company is going to give me a propane tank. I'm going to put on the outside wall. I'm going to pipe it in. I'm going to vent them the 2 different ways. And then we can do live fire training right here. Now, I got to power wash the door still. And pipe rack I put up. We don't keep a lot of extra pipe. We keep a lot of 1/2 and 3/4 Uponor. Keep some gas pipe and keep a little bit of PVC. But most of my stuff I get delivered right to the job. The table saw, chop saw, one of the Craig rolling tables, which we're going to use for training, and then wood for a workbench. That's the solar panels for the battery backup system I have for Yugo, and then my pack out. And I started putting the pack out wall system up because I'm going to do a little bit of a wood thing in here. And then this is that rolling cart that I can roll around wherever I got to work. I keep all my drill stuff in here. And we keep this also similar to with the truck. I just put it together yesterday. And that's a lot of my pack out. And yes, I do own a lot of pack out. And that's pretty much, this is about 50% of what I own besides what's on the trucks. There's more Navion units. I got 12 units coming. Some units are in my other shop, but that's 2 units right there. And then the bathroom, I still got to do a lot of painting. But my wife spent a lot of time cleaning this. I got to re-secure the sink. But we chopped out the toilet. I'm going to paint the floor, put some baseboard molding up, and just continue, you know, with the walls and stuff. They left me the clock. I left it. And then I got storage under the stairs. And then in here, this is where I keep stuff we don't normally use a lot. One of my sewing machines, my concrete cutter, core driller. That's a 4 to 6 threader. That's a 2.5 to 4 threader. My 2 rigid machines, my threaders, groovers. It's all my, that was when I did big flue pipe, extra flooring. That's it, just storage. That's it. Pretty tall. But like I said, on my over there, I have a whole second floor on the other side. I gotta fix this thing. This is my next project, probably this week. I gotta fix this and move those water pipes and get some metal studs in there and see what the hell's up with this bottom. It just rotted out. But yeah, this was some place. Took me, like I said, about 3 weeks to finish it up. But this is a game changer right here for me, because it gets nice in here. So, all right, let me put this back up on the tripod. Again, bear with me, I apologize. I bought a new tripod and I have to see how this all works here. Oh my God, look at this. There we go. All right. Oh, let me turn this back around. All right, so that's it. So I gotta get my markers and erasing material. But it's nice. Almost like I said, waiting on my chair too. My chair and my my desk, and nothing big. I'm just something I can put my laptop on and I can do some editing and stuff in here. And it's nice because I got it set at 71 and it's beautiful in here. Well, I threw a lot of insulation. I insulated this entire ceiling as I put the grid up. Yeah, it was an experience. Nothing here was square, but it is what it is. All right, YouTube. Look forward to the new videos coming up. I'll be doing starting most likely on the NPE models now, or I think I might have to do this one, the U. I did the exterior. Now I got to do the U, the universal. I got to do that. But see, I'm waiting on stuff. I'm waiting on the hood, because you can use this unit outside by putting a hood on it, just like you can with the NPE model. But I have a hood, but it's not the right hood. It's for the NPE model, not the NPN. But let me see what's coming in this week, and I'll see what kind of video I'll be posting on Saturday. Okay? All right, YouTube. You all be safe out there. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'll have my email below. If you're interested in training, email me, I do have Friday afternoon, I have 6 guys coming to, or 5 guys, 5 or 6, I'm not sure. I think I can fit them up here. I even got those little those tables, like you see in a school. They're about 18 inches wide and about 5 feet long with stacking chairs. I'm going to leave them under the stairs, bring them up here. I can probably do about 5 guys up here, you know, to train if they sit there over here. But let me see. We'll see how tight it is. Maybe I'll just stick with 4. Alrighty? Okay, again, my email will be below, and message me if you're interested in training, and I will send you cost and you know, what the itinerary would be for the training. And I do have a Patreon too, so if you want to just help out the channel, you can get me at the Patreon, which is at that Tankless guy, but it'll all be below. All right, YouTube, you all be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.